There are around 8.7 million species of plants and animals. Some we know a lot about and some we just don't know too much about. In today's video, we will be looking at 10 facts about a lesser known canine of the New World, the maned wolf. This animal, which is quite confusing to look at, lives in tall grasslands of South America. Called a wolf and more closely resembling a fox, it can be quite hard to figure out what exactly it is. Here are the top 10 facts about this lesser known species, whose Latin name means golden dog. Fact number 1. It's the only member of its genus. Looking at this creature, you may think it's just a fox on stilts or some distant part of the wolf family. However, the maned wolf is neither a fox or a wolf, or any type of dog, jackal, or coyote. It just has so many anatomical differences to be classed as any of the above. For example, it can't accurately be classed as a fox because it has circular pupils, whereas foxes have an elliptical, vertically oriented pupil. Therefore, it's the only member of its genus. Fact number 2. They are the tallest canid species in the wild. The most visibly distinctive feature when you look at the maned wolf are its extremely long legs. Their legs have adapted over time due to the long grass in their habitat. The average adult stands 90 centimeters tall at the shoulder and weighs 23 kgs. Its ears are also really long at 18 centimeters. The particularly long legs of the maned wolf are likely an adaptation which allows them to see above the tall grass in which they hunt. Fact number 3. It's more closely related to a wolf than a fox. Although it looks like what would happen if a fox was bitten by a radioactive daddy long-legged spider, a 2009 study determined that the species' closest relative is the Falkland Islands wolf. The last common ancestor of these two mammals lived around 6.7 million years ago. However, this doesn't mean that they are part of the wolf family. They still have too many distinctive features to be called either a fox or a wolf. Among currently living animals, the maned wolf is most closely related to the bush dog, which is another canid from South America. Fact number 4. Although called the maned wolf, their manes are usually only seen if the wolf feels threatened. Maned wolf have chestnut red fur, and they also have long fur covering their necks, which they can stand on end to give the appearance of a mane. This mane is used as a warning or to display signs of aggression if they feel threatened. Fact number 5. Unlike most large canids, they are solitary animals. Most canids, such as grey wolves and African dogs, form bonds with other members of their species and live in packs. However, the maned wolf typically will hunt alone, usually between sundown and midnight. It uses very large ears to rotate around and listen for prey in the grass. Although they are solitary in nature, it has been observed that these wolves can form monogamous pairs of individuals during mating season. Monogamous pairs of maned wolves may defend a shared territory of around 12 square miles, but outside of mating, the individuals meet rarely. Fact number 6. Males may play a part in parental care. Maned wolf pups are born weighing up to 450 grams and are nursed for up to 4 months by their mothers. They are then fed via regurgitation, and this period can last for up to 10 months in some cases. Data collected from captive maned wolves suggests that males will sometimes engage in parental care and are seen regurgitating food for their young. It is, however, unknown if this occurs in the wild. Fact number 7. They have their own fruit named after them. Maned wolves are omnivores and will eat small mammals such as rodents and birds. However, they do love to eat fruit and vegetables. A large part of their diet is vegetable matter. In fact, there is a tomato-like fruit named the wolf apple because of how often it's consumed by maned wolves. This fruit is actively sought after by maned wolves as opposed to other fruits that can only be eaten in abundance during certain seasons. In some cases, the wolf apple may make up to 50 to 90% of their diet. Fact number 8. They don't howl. Instead, they have what's been described as a roar bark. Maned wolves emit a loud sound, which has been described as a roar bark, to let their mate know where they are or to inform others to stay away. They also have been known to emit other sounds, such as a high-pitched greeting sound in certain situations. Fact number 9. They are ecologically flexible. Despite their preferred habitat, they can survive in disturbed habitats, from burned areas to places with high human influences. Burned areas have some small mammals that they can hunt and survive on. Their activity pattern is more related to the humidity and temperature than the time of day. Activity occurs between 8 and 10 a.m. and 8 and 10 p.m. On cold or cloudy days, they can actually be active all day. The species is likely to use open fields for foraging and more closed areas such as riparian forests to rest, especially on warmer days. Fact number 10. The smell of their urine once caused the police search for drugs in a zoo. The scent of their urine is similar to that of hops or cannabis. Maned wolves use their urine to communicate and mark their hunting paths or places they buried prey. The smell of their urine is reportedly so strong and similar to that of cannabis that it set off a police search in Rotterdam Zoo for smokers in the area. Well, there you have it, top 10 facts about the maned wolf. Thanks for watching and I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us to bring you more content.